Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Airbrushing Small Portraits. We've got another one coming up. We've got Johnny Cash this time. That's the image that we're working from on the tablet, and we've got a credit card size piece of cardboard which is 53mm by 85mm high. I've got one next to that to do test outs with my airbrush with the paint flow. So we've got a nice consistent paint flow. The brush that we're using today is the Geraldes Infinite on a 0.2 with the new Evolution 2024 trigger fitted. Works brilliant, guys, it really does. More comfortable, wider top. So that's what we're using. Paint mix is wicked. It's the new version of Wicked. It's not the old one, it's the new one. So it mixes really nice with isopropanol and water to get a nice washed out mix to a transparent consistency. So I'll move you in closer. Enjoy the video and the music, and I'll see you at the end for a chat, and then we'll have a little zoom in and look at Johnny Cash. See you in a bit. There you go, guys, Johnny Cash, all done. Nice one to do, just take your time, build the layers up and build the layers up, and we got it finished. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll give you a closer look at Johnny Cash. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.